In this video, I will be showing you how to create a thumbnail in Canva. Let's get started. First, I navigate to the Canva homepage and click on the Canva AI option located on the left sidebar menu. This brings me straight to the prompt input page where I can start describing the thumbnail design I want to generate. I click inside the prompt text box and begin typing out a detailed prompt describing the exact visual elements and style I want for my thumbnail. I type in a prompt detailing a close-up of a person looking shocked at a glowing holographic smartphone screen, complete with vibrant studio lighting, neon blues and purples, shallow depth of field, high contrast, a clean minimalist dark blue background on the left for text placement, and a cinematic photography style. To make sure Canva understands the context, I move my cursor to the beginning of the prompt box and add the phrase, "Create a thumbnail for YouTube," right before the prompt description. Once the full prompt is ready and verified, I click on the purple arrow Submit button on the bottom right of the input field. Canva begins processing my prompt to generate the design. While the system works, the editor canvas opens up with a blank page ready for the newly generated asset. After a few moments, the generated image appears right on the canvas. I take a moment to review the final thumbnail generation. The image shows a shocked person interacting with a glowing holographic smartphone screen, styled with bold neon lighting and vibrant blue hues. Bold text reading, "What is that?" is neatly placed on the left side of the thumbnail, perfectly matching the prompt specifications. On the left side panel, Canva AI confirms that the creation task is completed. I can collapse this panel to get a clearer, full-screen view of my new design. Now that the thumbnail is ready, I head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu, I choose the Download option. The file type is set to PNG by default, which is ideal for YouTube thumbnails. I click the purple Download button at the bottom of the menu to save the thumbnail file directly to my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make thumbnail in Canva.